Here's another angle how Ukrainian air defense takes down a Russian Su-25 jet over Donetsk Oblast. This is the second Russian Su-25 aircraft shot down by warriors from separate mechanized brigade named after Corporal General Mark Bezrushko. On the left bank, Kherson, local Ukrainians continue to poison Russians. Also in northern Kharkiv, Russians claim that Ukrainian drop bottles of poisoned water on the thirsty Russian positions. There are already several dead.
Не, пошел, блядь, алкаш конченый.
A rare event was captured on video by the 30th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, showing a sniper duel between a Ukrainian and a Russian sniper in the Bakhmut direction. The Russian sniper nearly hit the Ukrainian soldier from a distance of 1,356 yards, but the Ukrainian sniper emerged victorious, sending his opponent to hell on the second attempt. Russian government bans gasoline exports from Russia again. Russian media report gas prices have soared by up to 44%, and a shortage of AI-95 gasoline has emerged. Sources among traders told Reuters there is a chronic shortage of gasoline on the market. The cost of AI-92 on the St. Petersburg exchange has risen by 23% since the beginning of the year, and has approached records since the fall of 2023. A definite sign that Russian air defense shoots down all drones attacking Russian oil refineries and oil depots, right? The video from the 79th Air Assault Brigade features aerial reconnaissance over the Donbass arena, correction of a HIMARS strike on a Tor air defense missile system, and the suffering of Russian infantry. Russian occupiers receive gifts in the form of anti-tank mines wrapped in trousers, dropped from a Baba Yaga-type drone. Anti-tank mines, 3 on the road to the position. 1.8 kilograms of explosives each. Magnetic sensors are triggered even if you do not run directly into a mine.
Вот это мина. Ее Баба Яга сбросила по пути нашего следования на позицию. Но, к счастью, ее обнаружили и своевременно расстреляли. Поэтому мы проехали только что сквозь эти две мины и все еще до сих пор живы. С моим дорогим товарищем и командиром. То есть, хохлы знают, где мы двигаемся. Да. Хохлы знают, где мы двигаемся и оставляют нам периодически различные сюрпризы, чтобы нам не так скучно ездилось. Вот такой вот симпатичненький сувенирчик нам оставили. Трогать мы его не будем, потому что ну его нахер. А выглядит просто как старый штаны. Вот эту штуку я на память взял.
Russian soldiers begs the Ukrainian drone to have mercy on him. We don't know how the story ended. Latvia has started installing defensive barriers on its border with Russia. The so-called dragon's teeth were spotted near the easternmost Latvian town of Zilupe. And this is interesting. Crew aboard a Ukrainian cargo ship destroyed a Houthi naval drone in the Red Sea.
Окей, блядь, видео. Взорвали. Вот джоб, блядь.
Oh, Cannes Film Festival. The desire to celebrate the great Russian culture can be overwhelming, I know. But can we please wait until after Russia stops bombing cancer kids, maternity wards, and children's playgrounds? Let us not celebrate Russian fascism.
This is Edward Limonov, Russian imperialist, chauvinist, and xenophobe.
I'll keep sticking to my ideas, and I don't give a fuck.
And this is the Cannes Film Festival, hurrying a film that tells his life story and his fascist views. Here are some of these views.
Let Russia seize all Russian-speaking regions of Ukraine, starting with Kharkiv. I'd include all the Ukrainian regions into Russia that would settle down there. We have to hurry up and grab everything we can before Ukraine enters NATO, because Ukraine will surely do so. Let's go to war, roughly and firmly, so Ukrainians make sure of how weak they are. There are more than 144 million of us. Let's see who's going to win.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mario.
Limonov helped the Russian army in the Luhansk region occupy Ukraine. Meanwhile, in Cannes,
unfortunately, art or cinema can't stop the wars, the violence.
Let's go to war. Chasiv Yar, Ukraine. Russia equals mass murder and destruction.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.